Protein treatment. I will say that it's definitely brought back like the thickness and the curls.
Okay, on the beat.
I done had love in my heart and it fade when they fake and you show a little bit of that greatness. Nigga, be patient.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Life with Latrice. As you can see by the title, I'm going to be doing a protein treatment for my hair today. Hence why my hair is looking like this right now. So the protein treatment that I'm going to be using is by, I don't know if it's pronounced Ion or Eon, but I'm pretty sure it might be Ion. But it's the Ion Repair Resolution Reconstructor. I got these from Sally's, they're like $1.50 each. This is not a promotion, to let you guys know what I got. So I'm gonna be trying these today. I have tried the protein packets before, like the mass packets. I have tried them before. I tried different brands though. This is my first time using this brand. I got two because I figured that there's not that much in them, honestly. I figured that I would at least need two. I may possibly need three, not really sure yet, but I'm gonna try to make two work because that's all I have right now. But on the front it says foaming protein rebuilder provides intense therapy for weak damaged hair, and that is what I have right now, weak damaged hair. So that's kind of why I chose this one, and I also was curious to try it. Guys, before we get into the video, please give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and as always, share with your friends. I am trying to give you guys more content, and I'm also trying to get my subscribers up, so please help me with doing that. And yeah, push that post notification button so you can see when I always post a video. I am posting more now, giving you guys more content. If you guys ever have any video ideas that you want me to do, or videos you want me to try, or products, let me know because I can do that for you. So guys, without further ado, let's just get into this video. Alright guys, so as you see, I have my hair sectioned in fours right now. I felt like doing it in fours would be the easiest for me. You guys can do it however is best for you. So I am using these clips that I also got from Sally. If you guys see my other videos before I actually started with this one, I did cut my hair since then. I cut my hair maybe like 2-3 days later since I did those videos. I did my wash day routine video, and I did a cooking video as well. And in those videos, my hair was longer than what it is now. I basically cut about 2 inches off my hair because the ends were more so kind of damaged, so I kind of want to get rid of that dead hair and start with healthy hair. So it is shorter. If you guys notice, you may not notice, but just letting you guys know. First section, I'm going to spray water. My hair is already washed. I just washed my hair yesterday, and I just kind of put it back in a bun to dry it for today doing the protein treatment. I usually would wash my hair and then treatment right after, but didn't really feel like doing it yesterday, so I'm doing it now. So I'm just gonna rinse my hair with some water just to dampen it, and then so it'll be easier for me to apply the protein treatment. I'm gonna turn this camera over like this a little bit. This water is so cool. I'm not really trying to soak. I think I got some water on the camera. I'm not trying to like really soak my hair or really make it drenched. I'm just pretty much trying to get it damp so that it'll be, like I said, easier for me to apply the protein treatment. And that's why I do it in sections so that it's easier for me. I have this section damp. I am now going to apply the Ion Repair Solution. If I'm pronouncing this wrong, let me know in the comments how you pronounce this, because I don't know. This is my first time trying it, but I'm just going to apply a little bit. It says after one use, your hair will be stronger and more manageable. I'm hoping that is true. It's kind of really like liquidy. I tried some protein treatment that are like really thick, but this one's actually not as thick, which is fine with me. It does smell really good. It smells very good actually. Lately I have been using my detangle brush to apply like conditioner and stuff. I'm going to finger detangle this time though, to get it all in there. I'm basically using this, guys, because I have been getting my hair straightened a lot lately, usually more than I ever get my hair straightened. So I'm actually going to stop getting it straightened because I have noticed some more looser pieces in my hair and straight pieces. That's why I end up cutting it 2 inches off after I was getting it straightened. I have noticed that. So I'm definitely going to give it a break from heat styling. I'm probably just going to do maybe some braids and twist outs and stuff like that to kind of get my hair back to what it was before. So that's why I am using this protein treatment. You guys can kind of see where my hair, some of it is really straight and loose texture. So that's why I am basically doing this. So I pretty much have it, you know, throughout the strands. I didn't really put too much on my scalp. And then I'm just going to twist it up. Flip it back up. And I'm moving on to the next section. I'm going to the back. putting the leftover I have around my edges and stuff. And 2 of these was actually a good amount for my hair. I'm glad I bought 2. I made that mistake one time before. I bought 1, not of this brand, but a different brand, and literally ran out. So 2 was enough for my length of hair, my thickness of hair. Alright guys, so now I have it all in. Let me see if it says how long you're supposed to leave it in. Alright, it says leave it in 8 to 10 minutes and then you rinse. And then use in place a daily conditioner 1 to 2 times per week or as often as needed. So guys, you can use this protein treatment 1 to 2 times per week. Just like if you was to use a conditioner, you would use this instead. So if this actually does come out good, I would probably put this into my hair care routine. Like I said, I usually use these treatments about twice a week. No, I think I said once every 2 weeks. But if it does good, I would probably try to do it at least once a week. I would add this into my hair care routine. But I'm going to leave it in for 8 to 10 minutes. And then once that time is up, I will come back and let you guys know how things work after I rinse it out. So see you guys. It has been approximately 10 minutes. Guys, first of all, my eyebrows look really bad. I was looking at them. I got some on my face, guys. I look a mess today. Like, I'm not a person who wears makeup like that or do all of that all the time, only if I go out. But I look a mess today. I look very tired, very drained. But anyways, my eyebrows, I gotta get my eyebrows done. I'm trying to wait till this weekend because we're going somewhere. So I'm trying to wait it out. But you know when like the ingrown, like the hair be growing in and you can see it, it looks literally, I still have some on my face. What the heck? It literally looks a hot mess. But guys, it has been 10 minutes that I have had this in my hair. So far my hair does definitely look like moisturized and shiny. So far I'm liking it. I'm actually gonna rinse it out. Alright guys, so I just got done rinsing my hair. All I did was rinse out the protein treatment and that's it. I did nothing else to it. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. Now that I have taken out the protein treatment, I'm just gonna dry it a little bit more. Okay guys, this is my hair after the protein treatment. I will say that it's definitely brought back like the thickness and the curls I had in my hair before the whole like straightening process thing I was telling you guys about. It has definitely brought back that because my hair has not been like this curly in a while. And like I said, I have some straight pieces in there because of the heat damage. It's not as bad as I had it before. I have a video about heat damage, my heat damage hair that I got some years back, and like my whole head was literally damaged to where I had to like cut all the hair. But this time it's only like a little bit, but I mostly cut all the ends out. But I will say guys that, and my hair is very soft, it's really easy to like manage if I want to do like a style right now. I would say that I am very impressed, and I will definitely be doing this once a week. The packets are only $1.50, so definitely not that expensive. They also have like the legit jar or bottles you can purchase as well, but I think I'm definitely gonna do this once a week, just definitely to help me get back, you know, these curls and like, you know, help me with my damaged hair that I have. And as you guys can see, my cut, because like I said, if you see my hair, my video I posted before this video, you will see that how my hair, my curls are a little bit longer. And I cut it now to where it's shorter. But I definitely need to blow dry it out and like even it up because there are a little bit like longer pieces I have. Since I cut it, it's about this long now. My goal was to grow it back out, but healthier, of course. But yeah, guys, so this is my hair after that protein treatment. Look at this. This one's a little bit longer than this. That's why I need to blow dry it out and then trim it again because it's a big difference. But yeah, guys, so that is this is my results from the protein treatment. I actually do like it a lot. like I said, I feel like my hair is more, the thickness is back. When I was getting my hair straightened and everything, my hair is it was so stringy and like I couldn't even wear a puff no more or nothing. I had to just I was basically just wearing buns. But I'm trying to get the healthiness back. Like you can see this part in my hair, like it's just stringy. So yeah, I'm trying to get the healthiness back in my hair. So I'm gonna be doing this, like I said, once a week. The only heat I'm gonna put on there is when I blow dry it, and then that's pretty much going to be it. Other than that, I'm gonna try to just do braids. I'm gonna actually wanna get a weave to put my hair up a little bit. But yeah, guys, like I am actually very impressed. And again, this is the Iron Repair Solutions Reconstructor, $1.50. I got it from Sally. So guys, this is definitely a thumbs up. I definitely like it. Again, like I said, I will definitely put this into my hair care routine because I definitely like it. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also share with your friends, and push that post notification button so you can see when I post a new video. And until then, guys, stay tuned for the next video. Bye.